So let's get into it. These are the nails. It is called Impress Couture Press-On Nails. As you can see, the color is beautiful. It's like that beige neutral tone colors. And with the bedazzled, it is beautiful. I love how these nails look. It looks very much like quality press-on nails. And think about it, if you were to go to the nail salon with this kind of set, you would be looking at just about 60 bucks. It does say you don't need glue, but the thing is, there is no way a nail is going to stick and stay on if you don't have glue on it. So they did have some form of like tape attached to the back of the nail so you can press it on. To me, that just would not work for me. Here I have set everything up and the things that I will be using to prep my nail, filing it. I have glue that I'm going to be using from my Kiss Jelly Fantasy. And then also I have here my peroxide just to clean off the nails before I apply them on. Yes, and these are the results. Look at them. They are very, very pretty nails. I like them. It can go with just about any outfit. So I hope you all enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. All right.